Good morning, guys. Today, we're going on a cruise. We're gonna go on the Lincoln Highway, and we're meeting them at the Hooters. There's gonna be titties there, and we're gonna go see some. We're gonna go see some cars.
We're gonna go see some what?
We're gonna go see some cars. But yeah, guys. So it's Sunday. It is. I don't know what day it is. It's the 28th of February.
Why do you hold the so close?
And it's a great day because I told him that he could go touch another girl's boobs on February 30th. So, yeah. So today we're gonna go on a cruise and we're gonna go see some cars. So, hi. Hey guys, we're back, but we stopped because we went to Target. We're gonna get Pokemon cards because he hid the Pokemon cards so that we can come get them.
Let's go.
We're gonna get Leafeon cards and stuff. So we'll be back. We'll give you an update. All right, hey guys, we're back. We went into Target.
The goods are acquired. Look at that. And then we got brekkie.
We got our breakfast sandwiches.
Breakfast of champions right here, guys. Okay.
So we're ready to head out. We gotta go to that meet and see some cars.
Alright, hey guys, we just made it here. So we're gonna show you guys around a little bit. What do you think of the goods?
I like this part.
Can you give me a sign on this?
They have the forged carbon on this one. Because you see how this one's different from this?
Yeah.
This is the carbon fiber and then this is the forged carbon. These are the wheels I wish I had on my car. The comp wheels.
Yeah, he can't be like, oh, I didn't.
Seems like the track build. They have the smoked out headlights. What do you think of that one?
Which one?
This one.
I know, the carbon fiber grill. There's a competition. Who has the most carbon fiber in their car?
Like a what?
A competition of who has the most carbon fiber on their car.
Literally. That's a homie. That's a homie, Matt at 80. Look, he has the GTS taillight.
Came from JDM guy, man. Now he got an F80. Jerry right here. Chad. Hey, nice to meet you, brother.
It's like a cream colored M4. What do you think of it?
I thought it was pearl at first.
It's like a beige, right? And we got the Remus. Those wheels are clean. It's on E85. Mustang killer right there. It's on E85. His wheels are hella sturdy. This graphite black.
Like it looks just black, and then when you get up to it, it's nothing.
Yeah, because the camera is picking it up too. It's like has like different color sparks in it.
This is what it looks like with no spacer.
M4 1 of 1.
I don't think they're
Chartreuse M3.
This color actually looks really like much nicer in person, in my opinion,
I think so.
than in pics. Because this color in pictures is like, for me, just doesn't do it. You know, like there's better colors out there, but
I feel like the pictures don't ever do it justice because the filters make it look.
yeah. And it's definitely like fitting. Like it doesn't look weird on the car, which is the thing.
Just like how they have this tanzanite blue in the M2, and it really fits the car.
Yeah. Let's go see the front of everything now.
Oh, like a billboard? The fastest F3 in the world is arcade game. We're in the arcade game. Just like 13. Our F2 activated. Let's get the feel for it.
I feel like that's a frozen yellow though. Why?
In the front.
Well, I mean, basically it's the same front. Like if you look at them, you can't really tell apart the front of an M4 from an M3.
Because this yellow M3, you can tell it's an M3, and then there's an M4, but the M3, that grayish brown, it looks more like an M4.
I'm pretty sure that color is called like a champagne quartz or some stupid stuff like that. It's really cool. We have lace car.
Champagne quartz are going to come for you for calling it stupid.
It's a really nice color though. I like it. I'm not hating on it.
Oh my god, they got the Dolly B plate cover.
What is Dolly B?
It is a Filipino restaurant, and they have chicken and spaghetti.
Mmm.
Now this one's my food.
So this is the best build out here, guys.
Yeah, chicken chili, and then we got the kale pie. I really like this one.
And then we got the carbon fiber trunk lid. We got the carbon fiber shark fin. We got the carbon fiber mirror caps.
This one's the air freshener is my favorite part. I think it's the thing with the most volume.
It just sets the car apart, right?
Yeah. We got the red interior.
Alright guys, it seems like most of us are gonna go grab some food or some gas because there's still half of the cruise left. So we're gonna go do that. We're gonna go do that real quick and we'll come back to you guys. That's crazy. All right guys, hope you enjoyed that last clip. We're here at
Our most
Below.
important stop of the day. We're gonna get the micro mellows, and they have 9 colors, and I'm gonna get all 9 colors and hope that I get all different ones.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And you already know the vibes. You know we gotta park in the middle of nowhere.
So, haul. We got Ronnie. We got Goat Man. Look! 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 He's the star of the show.
Can you guys tell that she's excited?
I don't even eat vegetables. This is Carolina. Okay. This is Casey the carrot. This is a chicken.
That's nasty, bro.
So we're finally here. We got here to Salmon Falls out here by El Dorado Hills. Not gonna lie, I don't know if there's an M2 here. I feel like I would see it.
Not yet.
My favorite thing so far though is the variety in the wheels, and I know I said that earlier, but HREs and then there's like stock wheels, and I feel like it's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
You need to invest in a little GoPro like that on top of it.
Little GoPro mount. There's like a little river thing down there. We'll probably go to that right now.
Before we go to F, I'm not ready for the F.
So this is Salmon Falls. The salmon be falling out here, guys. So if you're a fish, be careful.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
Do it, guys, but damn, bro, my tires are.
What do you think about that?
I mean, shit, I got kind of scared to be honest, but
I don't know if you guys saw, but that lady in the fucking truck, she was liking it too.
she's living vicariously through all these guys. Alright guys, so we've been here at the meetup spot for about 2 hours now. We're getting ready to head out just because we're getting a little hungry. But yeah, I mean overall I'd say it was a pretty good day. We got to see a variety of colors, a variety of builds. Got to learn about what
Carbon ceramic brakes are.
I got to learn about what carbon ceramic brakes are. But yeah, I mean, it was pretty cool. I would say, what was your favorite build? This
M3 right here.
Yeah, I think we agreed this M3 because it has what, the HRE wheels?
They're 2,000 a piece.
A piece?
So he paid like around 8K plus tires.
They don't come with the tires?
No. They don't.
Imagine selling shoes and them not giving you laces.
Sort of, yeah.
It's fine. It's a nice build. We like this one the most. But yeah, I guess ready to head out. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Cops are coming.
Whoop, whoop. It's the police. Okay, go. I don't understand. If everybody just drove fast, there would be no traffic.
Correct.
But instead, everyone drives slow. Look at all these cars.
Like for what?
Like for what? Like you did this for what? Like for what? Anyways, but yeah, we're in traffic. And the meet is over. We both
Really enjoyed it. It was fun. So right now we're on our way to grab some food because we're hungry. It's 4 and we haven't ate all day, except for breakfast, but tiny breakfast.
Boy, Chronos go crazy.